finally it's here. Finally. And then I'm gonna get some Eid. Eid Mubarak, guys! अभी मैं पीने लगी थी तो it felt slightly wrong कि ओ रोजा. And then I realized no. Eid.
Because it's your first Eid in Canada and you want to make it special.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aisha. Guess what day it is? It's Eid. Finally, it's here. Finally, Eid is here. Oh my god. It's Eid, guys. It's the Eid morning. I just woke up. Namaz pad liye. Now I'm gonna, send Hamza off to Eid prayer. Oh my god, so excited. Eid Mubarak, guys. Eid Mubarak. Hey guys, it has started. It has started. It's Eid. Guys, this is my outfit for the तैयार हो रही थी अभी ईद के लिए. I was making my get ready with me video. But I realized कि थोड़ा सा मज़ा भी आना चाहिए एक्स्ट्रा. तो अब मैं जा रही हूँ कॉफ़ी लेने के लिए. फिर वापस आके मैं I'll get ready the rest of the face. Actually like lipstick ही mostly रह गई है. So वापस आके मैं तैयार होंगी पूरा and like my outfit and everything. And then I'm gonna get some Eid. और क्या चाहिए? Guys यार मेहंदी का कलर नहीं आया. I'm so sad. Like I'm so sad. It looks like like पता कितने दिन पुरानी मेहंदी है, but like literally रात को लगाई है. So let's go grab me some coffee for Eid. I mean Eid day pe. Let's grab some coffee. Guys, sadly there was a hiccup in the plan and Hamza couldn't find his keys, so we had to wait. So instead of wasting time, I just got ready and tried to take some pictures. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Actually like this is supposed to be earlier, but अब मैं तैयार हूँ तो अब मैं आपको welcome कर सकती हूँ. Welcome back to my channel. It's this is the Eid vlog. I think we all have been waiting for Eid, so this should be really good. So what's happening right now is, oh my god, the sky looks beautiful. I'm gonna show you in a few seconds. But what's happening right now is कि हम तैयार हो गए हैं और going for a quick errand. But I was like, I don't want to change, so I'll just sit in the car. But I'll just go out and see the daylight. Guys, look at the sky. This is what I'm talking about. That's why I say I love the sky here. Summer is coming, so you can tell, the sky is beautiful. Amazing. Love it. Basically, whoever watches my Get Ready With Me will know कि मैंने extra और भी किया हुआ था. Like I was wearing a choker and a beautiful dupatta with this outfit. But अब वो time आ चुका है day का कि ऐसा सब चीज़ें जाना शुरू हो गई हैं. So first thing is choker. I couldn't wear it anymore, especially घर में बैठने के लिए, तो it's hard. So it was more for the pictures. I told you it was more for the pictures. Let me know in the comment section किसकी ईद कैसी गई, सबकी ईद कैसी गई. I really wanna know. I hope सबकी ईद बहुत अच्छी जा रही हो और सबकी ईद बहुत अच्छी गई हो. पाकिस्तान में ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है. कनाडा में actually थोड़ा time difference है, so हमारी अभी हो रही है. And guys, I was telling you I want the weather to be nice on Eid, and it is actually really nice. It is sunny and bright, and it's not even that cold. So like I'm really enjoying the weather. So I got lucky on the weather part. Finally वो time आ गया है. Ramadan में I could never go for coffee runs. Finally, it's time that I can go for a coffee during the day. So the first thing I wanted to do today was grab some coffee, just for the sake of feeling that जाके कॉफी लेने की जो खुशी होती है उसके लिए I wanted to just grab some coffee. This guy also looks nice. Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, I love our desi outfits. बड़ा मजा आ रहा है actually इनको पहनने में. Guys, today instead of my regular coffee order, I got ice cap light because I wanted to enjoy the summer vibes. Finally, like अगर ऐसा summer vibe आ रही है तो I was like चलो take advantage and drink something cold. अभी मैं पीने लगी थी तो it felt slightly wrong कि ओ रोजा. And then I realized no. Eid. Guys, we're back home and I'm requesting हमजा कि मेरी थोड़ी सी और पिक्चर्स ले ले यार मुझे, क्योंकि honestly थोड़ी देर में ये वाली लुक भी खत्म हो जानी है. So I'm just requesting him कि थोड़ी सी और पिक्चर्स हो जाएं ताकि मेरा दिल खुश हो जाए.
ओहो आयशा वो कीवी पड़ा हुआ है यार, उठा लो.
I'm gonna show you something funny. कल हम ग्रोसरी लेके आए हैं तो हमसे एक कीवी नीचे गिर गया था गाड़ी के नीचे, और अभी हमने गाड़ी निकाली है तो वो कीवी ऐसे बेचारा नजर आया नीचे. Let me show you. बेचारा कीवी. इसको हमने ओवरनाइट बाय रख दिया है. बस अभी मैं बेल दे रही हूँ because we don't have the keys. This is me checking out my look before the shoot and just vibing. आ गई हूँ अपनी लोकेशन पे. सब कुछ चोकर खराब हुआ है एक्चुअली, हिल साथ में पकड़ी हुई है. चोकर शोकर पहन के just to take more pictures. Hamza has agreed to give me a photo shoot, so I'm gonna fix the choker. Don't worry. Day 1, almost 2 p.m. and I've changed into casual clothes just because थोड़ा सा काम है and I want to take a nap because really रात सिर्फ 2 घंटे सोए हैं because चांद रात की वजह से मेहंदी लगा रही थी, सारा लेट हो गया था. So I want to catch a nap and then शाम में we have a guest coming over, then I'll dress up again just so we can get the Eid vibes back. Change of plans. I'm in this outfit once again because I was gonna take a nap but it turned out बस थोड़ा सा किचन किया, थोड़ा सा एडिटिंग की and उतनी देर में plans changed. Wali has decided that we all need to go out for some dessert, so that's what we're gonna do. Typical Eid move. So guys, currently we are going out for dessert before we have even had lunch because dinner time पे a guest is coming over, so उससे पहले हम होके आ जाए. Guys, I'm just waiting for Hamza and Wali to come out. Who says कि लड़कियां लेट करवाती हैं? It's always the guys nowadays. And guys, I changed my jhumkas. These feel more comfortable, so I just switched the jhumkas up. And I didn't even realize I was humming this song. Oh, well, this guy is already tired. Actually, like, we haven't slept much, so obviously, like, tired. Yes, हम gas बनवाने जा रहे हैं. You guessed it right. The first stop always is gonna be, getting gas. That's like a usual for us now. Okay. Eid Mubarak from Wali as well.
Of course, Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak. And Wali, where are we going?
We're going to D-Spot for some dessert because
Okay,
it's
we're
your
going to
first
D-Spot.
Eid in Canada and we want to make it special. So come on now, guys. And this was my idea, by the way.
Yes, I
My
give him full
idea.
credit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Only he can make it happen. I told you. Only him and Filza have the
The guts.
have the power to convince people to do things.
Exactly. What can I say, guys? What can I say?
What can I say? Even he agrees.
Yeah.
We're at our most trusted dessert spot, D-Spot. But this time with this guy, Wali, because he really wanted dessert. Shoes rakhe और अभी heels पहनी है. So the plan changed once again, and I guess we're living spontaneously these days. So Wali wanted to have Boardwalk first, which was right next to D-Spot. So we went there first and had some food. Guys, now off to D-Spot. बहुत हवा चल रही है, as you can tell, I'm sure. Convinced Wali to get milk cake, and I'm pretty sure he's not gonna regret it. So Hamza and me had tiramisu cheesecake while Wali had lotus milk cake. Tell me if you like the milk cake.
A thumbs up, 10 out of 10. Totally recommend.
I knew he'd love it.
I
Yeah.
inhaled it. It took me
Yeah.
3 minutes to finish the whole thing.
Yeah, crazy. But the point is, he loved it. So I make good recommendations. Point
Very
two.
good recommendation.
Yeah. Point two. Remember. So अभी हम घर जा रहे हैं and auntie आने वाली है. So the guest is coming over. So we're just gonna have, just some socializing. Yeah, some socializing.
Auntie is coming over.
Eid, it's important to socialize. I feel like that makes, Eid. Guys, मैं आई हूँ घर के बाहर वली का शूट करने के लिए.
गाड़ी आ रही है.
हाँ, होली का शूट हो रहा है यहाँ पे, ईद का शूट हो रहा है और इतनी गाड़ियाँ आ रही है रास्ते में, सो वी कीप ऑन मूविंग टू द साइड। तो जाओ, साइड हो जाओ।